And welcome back. I'm trying to figure out how to set up this ambush. Not really sure what to do here. Souvenirs?
Why are the boots
Why are the boots in the souvenirs?
We need to find a good place for an ambush.
Ah.
Mary's cabin near the window.
You mean in this bush? Where nobody can hear us or see us.
Ah.
This looks like the perfect hiding place.
Oh man, you see everything right through there.
Oh, hey, he did accept my friend request.
Who? Black Peter?
No. Rich.
White Peter?
No, new guy in my department.
Oh.
He's probably playing the Division.
Black Peter?
Yep. Alrighty. Here we go. Okay.
Oh, it's a big Swedish guy with a hammer.
Wearing like a whale hat. And a necklace.
It's
Crafted from teeth. It's like weighing him down.
Did you hear that?
Oh, shh, Chris, shh.
It's not like a stuffed whale hat. It looks like a... It doesn't look like a whale's head. Oh.
There's someone there.
It's a small Swedish boy.
I'm gonna collar him.
I'll be
Jesus,
right
that's
behind you.
fucking kinky.
Roy! Oh, Roy there.
Did you collar him? Hold on. Did you gag him?
Not yet.
Mr. Holmes, come and see what we've caught in our net.
You put him in a net. God. Be human, man.
All right, my fine fellow. Who are you and what...
Oh, it's just a chimney sweep.
You're detectives, I suppose. You imagine that I'm connected with the death of Captain Carey. I assure you I'm innocent.
Innocence? And what are you doing in his cabin?
Shall I tell you? You came to retrieve what you had lost after killing Peter Carey, but we were here waiting for you.
What is your name?
John Hopley Nelligan, but I
Ah, see?
Yeah.
Told you it was him.
Told you it was the wife.
No, but yes, it's just that I couldn't.
I'm tired of this. Off we go to the yard. Tomorrow, I'll see that you're put in front of the judge.
No need, officer. Kill him right here.
You can't.
And I'll take his hat.
It's a terrible mistake.
What size shoe are you?
Are you an 8?
You're coming.
Ah, yes, good, good. I got boots, but I do not have a pair of shoes like that.
In light of recent events, it seems evident that your coming here was unnecessary. All the same, I'm very grateful to you, Mr. Holmes.
You are welcome, Inspector. But please don't be too hard on our young fellow. I would like to question him tomorrow morning.
You're gonna leave.
Where I'm going to be hard on him.
Yeah, you're gonna leave the guy alone with him who said he was gonna collar him.
Yeah.
Alright.
Police got to do their stuff. Open the casebook. Where's John Hopley Nelligan's portrait?
In tears. Ah, we're going to Scotland Yard, it looks like.
Ah, yes.
Ah, good. The boots are still here. I need to find a use for the
Wait,
boots.
how big were the footprints?
I don't know.
You're supposed to compare them to the boots.
Yeah, I know that now, Chris. Thanks. But I'm in Scotland Yard now, okay? You know how long it's taken me to get back to fucking wherever the fuck that place was?
Woodman Lee?
Woodman Lee? Yeah. Fucking 30 seconds. Ain't got
Oh,
time for
who's
that.
wants it?
What?
We don't want posters. On the other wall. The other wall.
Mr. Holmes? Mr.
The
Holmes?
relationship is getting deeper.
Mr. Holmes?
Police notice 100-pound reward. Henry Stallhammer.
From Hammer!
Went berserk at the last Hammerfest and hammered too many whales. Last seen drowning in the ocean. Hey, shitface, can I, how do I zoom?
I only call you that because it looks like your neck beard looks like makes you look like you have shit on your face.
Jonathan Fenton.
On warrant. Donald Smith.
Donald Trump Smith. For leading America to where it's supposed to go in 2016. Ooh, 500 pounds for missing earrings.
Let's find those.
Yeah, fucking keeping those. John Wilkes Booth. Wanted for the Kennedy assassination.
Again.
Time traveling bastard. Ooh, are you gonna talk dirty to me too? Oh, no, you're not. Wow.
Good morning, Mr. Holmes. Can I help you?
I was on the other side of the desk.
Good morning, Constable. I would like to speak to the fellow who was arrested at Woodman's Lee last night.
Ah, the young man.
Ah, sorry, Kent. He's been murdered.
Go straight through. His belongings
Had a harpoon shoved up his ass.
Thank you.
Can I have his hat?
Well, you said he's just going to show you where the belongings are. I don't imagine you have to give them back. You are, after all, a consulting detective.
Mr. Holmes? Mr. Holmes?
Yes.
Yes!
So I'm going to take
All those guns.
I want everything in this room. Ooh, what is that?
A jar.
Of what? Is that
Ectoplasm.
monster blood? From Goosebumps?
Ooh, now look at the belongings.
Other suspects' belongings.
This is probably gold.
Take.
One ring to rule them all. What the fuck?
To my friend and partner.
3881. Partner and friend my two Dawson are from. Well, that is a mystery.
Never gonna.
Put that
Didn't
back.
you have to highlight that?
Oh, did I?
Yeah, so it goes into evidence.
And partner, 1883.
Really? Really?
Friend, from R. Dawson. Dawson. I've seen this name before. Perhaps my archive holds the answer.
Ooh, his archive. No, monogram necklace. You gotta do that.
What?
A monogrammed handkerchief. It's got letters on it.
A handkerchief with the initials J.H.N.
John Hopkin Nesbitt.
The notebook that we found on Peter Carey's cabin floor.
Oh, you need evidence first.
Variations mean something, but what?
It's a cipher. Do you want to question him first?
Well, so there's something in my evidence about
Right.
Dawson.
But, I mean, if you question him first, you can get more.
Okay. Okay, so they actually want you to do a lot of work. It's not just like go here and they hold your hand.
Yeah.
Alright, this game's pretty cool.
Yeah. And there's, like...
I want this steam engine. I need
That's
this.
a stove.
It's a steam engine now. In Sherlock's hands, it can be anything. Yes, that steam locomotive you have in the evidence room.
I'm
I need
very
it.
quiet for my investigation. What?
Locked.
Locked. Well, that's too bad.
Mr. Holmes?
Ooh,
Mr. Holmes?
yes.
Fuck you.
Where's the button to beat on it? And who's that other guy there?
Well, Mr. Nesbitt.
Mr. Nesbitt.
You have a gay little mustache. I don't like it.
Are you the paper boy?
How old are you?
Does this notebook belong to you?
What?
Yes.
Did you take that out of evidence?
Where did you find it?
I know no bounds.
I thought I'd lost it at the hotel.
What do these abbreviations mean?
Oh, no. I beg you, I can't. If I told you, it would only make things worse.
Where's the buck to slap him?
We'll find out eventually, Mr. Nelligan.
I'll be back. I need to go find a wrench.
Hit you in the back of the head with it.
Near Carey's body. Tell me, Mr. Nelligan, did Mr. Carey try to defend himself or to attack you with it?
I don't know. I didn't kill anyone.
Told you it's the wife.
Well, then you could have been like, no, he didn't. No, I don't know.
I didn't steal it from anyone. It has always belonged to me.
The ring's date of engraving is many years ago. You would have been a child then, hardly in any position to receive such an item from a partner.
Beat him.
Oh, good.
Well, shabby cap is one. I can read that.
What's this made out of? Wool? I'll take it.
Shabby. Go to his pencil stint pedophile stash. Nothing?
Nope.
Okay. But worn coat?
Cold eyes of a murderer.
Pink lips of a makeup wearer.
Expensive fabric. With a patch.
Oh, stolen coat. Ooh, ooh.
Short sleeves.
So it's not his jacket.
Penis.
No penis.
No penis.
Oh, warts. Ugh.
Scurvy.
What's the last thing? You missed something between the shabby cat and dispatch? No, no, no.
Hickey.
Thin neck.
Neck so thin I can snap it.
Just one hand.
So, Mr. Nelligan, who is the true owner of the ring?
The ring is mine.
I think I need to go search the archives.
Wait. Oh, no. Chest. Okay.
Well kept garden, father's jacket.
We'll see what we get out of the father's jacket.
No, Mr. Nelligan. I believe that the ring had belonged to your father.
Oh, but how do you know?
The jacket you are wearing is made of an expensive fabric that only a man of exceptional wealth could afford. You do not seem to me to be a rich man, Mr. Nelligan.
Nesbit.
Furthermore, the garment is ill-fitting. It is quite clear that it belonged to someone else. Most
Probably
probably
a rich
your father.
daddy.
With your father gone and taking with him the family's wealth, as a little boy you had to find yourself a manual job, and it was most probably cleaning fish. You cut your hands
Got your hands working, because you were piss poor at your job.
I'm speechless, Mr. Holmes. It all happened exactly as you say.
Yes, because I am from the
Well,
future.
I will see you soon, young man.
Please, let me go. I'm innocent.
I think I'm gonna drop
Yes!
this
Drop the
right
drop.
on you. Yeah, there's no option.
Oh, man.
No option.
If only you combined Hitman in this game.
I need this.
Like Sherlock Holmes, super murderer.
He'd be good at it.
Right? Like, you catch the bad guys, but you kill a lot of people along the way.
For no reason.
Look, there's a fire extinguisher right there.
Lost.
Alright. So what am I supposed to do now?
You can go back and you can search your archives.
Ah, yes. I think we'll go back and try to match up those boots first.
Okay.
pretty disappointing episode. We didn't get to beat the crap out of anyone.
Yeah. They don't let you hit suspects, apparently.
Yeah.
Even though there's not any cameras to see it.
And I can't take the steam engine with me.
Or that police officer.
Or that very nice policeman. Or this hobo.
Back then, they were just sailors, Matt.
Yes, well, I'm going back to Woodsman's Lee. And join us next time. We'll see if those boots fit. Just like O.J. Simpson.
Just like a glove.